Jesus knows where your money is. So trust God for divine provision and financial breakthrough. My friends, you're welcome to Jesus Bride channel. Okay, here we share faith-based content. We help creators grow here, and also we share so many things that brings encouragement to anyone that have access to this channel. So Jesus knows where your money is. He knows where my money is. So on this video, I'm not going to be sharing biblical examples. I'm going to be, sharing a real life story, a real life testimony that happened to a man and a woman. How God led both of them into their financial breakthrough. How God provided for them and showed them where their money is. All right. And the funniest thing is, when God leads, it does not really look like it at the first time. It does not look like it. But before I go deep into the discussion in this video, if this is your first time, you are a first-time viewer, kindly say hi in the comments, like and subscribe to this channel so that you will have access to more updates, like our upcoming updates, our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Again, you are watching Jesus Bride. So I'm going to start from the man's testimony. This man is a big businessman. He is making money, okay? And something happened. His business went down. Then he started suffering, going through, financial hardships, and God visited him and told him that you should go ahead and start frying beans cake. Do you know what a beans cake is? Akara. Go ahead and start frying. That is where his money is. That is where he's going to enjoy financial breakthrough. You'll be like, the man was like him on the street frying akara, beans cake. Like, he does not get. He has made this money. How can God just say you should stoop so low and start doing such business? He said, not him. In fact, not him. He told his family about what he heard, and they were like, if it is with God, then go ahead. But this man said, not him. Like, how will you go and be frying on the streets 100 naira beans cake akara? And God said that is where his money is. That is where he's going to make it. Like, how come? So he ignored what God said and started looking for ways he's going to stand up in his business. And he tried and tried, and he was frustrated, and he gave up and started, he said, fine, let him just go for this business, this frying bean cake of a thing and that. Then he went ahead and started frying. Give this man few years, he built a very beautiful house from that business. Imagine that. So that is where his money is. That is where his money is. When God says you should stick here, just stay here, I'm going to make you here, this is where your money is, then why not obey him? It won't look like it. All right. So the second true life story is about a woman. This really humbled me. This made me know that God does not use age to do anything. This is a grown-up woman, a married woman with grown-up kids. A married woman with grown-up kids, okay? And she's already madam. She's not like in her 30s or 40s, and God told this woman to go and learn a skill, all right? That is where her money is. This woman say now age, many of us, we say it is when we are little, very young, that you can go and learn a skill. Okay, that's the same thing that woman said. Is it at this age that she'll go and be learning a skill? Like, will she be able to survive it? Stuff like that. And thank God that she responded. Yes, okay. People encouraged her, her husband encouraged her. Since it is God, okay, just go for it. And this woman went ahead and learned the skill. Do you know what she learned? Do you know what God asked her to learn? Do you know the kind of skill that God, okay, we'll learn so skill that this is where your money is? This God told this woman to go ahead and learn how to repair laptops, how to repair computer. That is where her money is. That is where her financial breakthrough is. And this woman, she went ahead, learned the skill, and see, today she's a madam abroad, everywhere. If anything, if anybody's laptop or computer, anything at all is faulty, it is her place. She has expanded so big, like, so you see, it's not about age. God can come and tell you to do something that does not really look like it. So I pray in the name of Jesus that God will always give us the grace to obey him, because truthfully, Jesus knows where your money is. He knows where my money is. Okay, when we do what God says we should do, we enjoy what? Divine provision. We enjoy what? Financial breakthroughs. All right, imagine if that man just said no, up to today you will still be struggling. That woman, she will still be struggling, but God have said it, and the Lord shall give you and I the grace to always obey his commands. Okay, he knows everything about us. He knows where our money is. Yes, so Jesus knows where your money is. Go to him today, ask him, seek his face. All right, and he will answer it, just like he has answered that man and that woman. Thank you for watching up till now. Comment what you think. All right, and make sure you share this video to a friend. Thank you for watching Jesus Right. See you on the next video. Bye.